guys are doing well. So guys, today I have with me this car, which is the all new Tata Tiago Energy. Tata Motors have relaunched the Energy variant in the Tiago's lineup, and in this video I am going to show you guys the exterior, interior features, space, and by the end of the video I'll also tell you guys about the pricing as well as the variants of the car. Now let's quickly start the video. Before starting the video, if you have any question, you can surely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section down below. And if you like watching videos in Hindi language, you can also check out our Hindi YouTube channel, which is Autorevs Hindi. All the links are given in the description box below. Now let's start the video without wasting any more time. From the front profile of the car, so right in the center you have the Tata logo, you have this triangular grille, you also have this chrome strip which actually connects the headlamps of the car. One thing which you might notice right here is this sharp element which we have also seen on the Tata Altroz, by the way. Talking about the main change on the Tiago Energy is the cladding. Now this car gets cladding on all four sides. Right at the front, this is the cladding which you have. This is the skid plate on offer right at the front. Now moving on to the headlamps of the car, here you have normal halogen bulbs on offer. The fog lamp is again a halogen bulb provided right here. So this is much about the front profile of. Moving on to the side profile, the first thing which you might notice right here is the mirror. Now the mirror gets a glossy black treatment as well as you have an indicator on offer. You have side wheel arches, you have side body cladding which again gives it a muscular look. On the roof you have the roof rails and the roof is completely finished in gloss black treatment. Let me show you guys the key of the car. So this is the similar key which we have seen on the Nexon as well as the Altroz. Buttons on offer right. You have your button for your lock, unlock, boot opening and your follow me headlamps. When you lock the car, the mirrors basically auto fold, so that is again a good feature to have. Unlocking the car. And by the way, on the Tata Tiago Energy, Tata Motors have reviewed the suspension setup as well. I'll talk about the ride quality once I get to drive the car, but in this video we'll keep it to the walk around. Talking about the ground clearance, now this car gets 181 mm of ground clearance. On the regular Tiago you have 170 mm of clearance, so that is the difference which you might notice. And again, talking about the side profile, you have this black treatment on the side which again gives it a floating roof appeal. So this is much about the side profile, guys. You have your passive entry buttons as well, so you don't really have to remove your key out of your pocket. You can simply press the button and you can unlock the doors and lock the doors as well. So this is about the side profile. Let's move on to the rear profile of the car and let's see what you have on offer right here. So at the rear, you basically have this spoiler spats provided. You have your stop lamp, and you basically also do get your rear wiper, washer, defogger, Tata logo right in the center. You have this body cladding at the rear as well, center cladding, Tiago Energy badge, reverse parking sensors, reverse parking camera, and in order to open the boot, you don't really have to remove of your pocket. You have a button here. You can just press the request button and the unlocks the boot like this. This is the 242 liters of boot space that you get in the Tiago Energy. Now below this, here you have your spare wheel kept. Now this is not a full size steel rim, 13-inch wheel that you get, and the tire profile right here is 155/60 R13. So this is not a full size spare wheel. Closing the boot, you have your cladding at the rear. You have plate. So this is much about the rear profile. The tail lamp right here is again an halogen bulb. This is how the Tiago Energy looks from the rear. Now let me quickly show you guys and then we'll move inside the car and show you guys the features as well. The tire profile right here is 175/60 15. By the way, these are not 15-inch alloy wheels, these are steel rims, but Tata Motors has done a fabulous job on design. It really looks like have a alloy wheel on offer. So these are basically 15-inch steel rims that you get right here. Let's quickly move inside the car and let me show you guys what all features you have in the Tata Tiago Energy. Let me unlock the car. By the way, guys, one thing which you might notice right here is the fact that the doors don't really open 90-degree wide like the way it does on the Tata Altroz. I have also given you guys a detailed review of the Tata Altroz. You can basically check it out by clicking on the link somewhere over here. Talking about the interior of the Tiago Energy, you have this all black dashboard and interior. You also have this gloss black treatment on your air vents. And let me open the glove box for you guys. This is the decent amount of space which you get in the glove box. You can also keep your laptop right here. Now the one thing which you might notice the change is the fact that you get these fabric seats. This is a different design which you have. These are the stitchings which you have on the seat as well. Talking about the music system, you have 7-inch touchscreen which you have right here, Harman music system. I'm not playing audio right here because of the copyright issues. I'll give you guys a separate video on Instagram. You can check out the music quality right there. And these are your controls for your AC. Here you have your 12-volt charging point, USB point as well. 5-speed gearbox. You have your cup holders where you can keep your cups and bottles as well. Here you have a sun visor with vanity mirror. Similar case here, but here you don't really have a vanity mirror. You have a toll receipt holder. Steering wheel feels nice to hold. It gets a flat bottom steering wheel, by the way, which again adds to the appeal of the car. Here you have a few buttons from where you can increase and decrease the volume. You can accept and reject the call as well. Instrument cluster, you have a fully digital unit. A few features which you get in the instrument cluster are the trip A, trip B, your distance to empty as well, and your odometer reading. So these are the basic things which the instrument cluster will show you. And this steering wheel also gets tilt adjustable, so you can basically adjust the steering wheel as per your driving condition and your position. Talking about the door pads, here you can actually fit in 1 liter water bottle. Here you also have your power windows, and you can also adjust your ORVMs from here. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot about the interiors of the car. Now let me show you guys how much space do you have in the second row. So let's quickly move inside the second row and let me show you how much space is there on offer. So guys, now I have adjusted the seat as per my driving position, and in terms of legroom, it is a pretty decent car to be in because you can stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. In terms of knee room, it gets decent knee room. Here you have a hump, so basically when a middle passenger sits here, he or she will have to adjust a little bit in terms of the legroom. Otherwise, talking about the shoulder room, you can easily get 2 adults and a kid in the middle. It misses out on a armrest, and you have your fixed headrest here as well. In terms of headroom, it is a pretty good car to be in. So this is much about the rear of the car. You basically have door handles provided on all 3 sides other than the driver's side. And talking about the door pads, again you can fit in 1 liter bottle right here. So this is about the of the car, and the under thigh support is again quite decent, I would say. So this is the space which you have in the Tata Tiago Energy. Now let me quickly move outside and I'll talk about the variants as well as the safety features, and I'll also show you guys the engine. So let's quickly move outside. So guys, in terms of the safety features, Tiago Energy basically gets ABS, EBD as well as corner stability control, and it is basically 4-star rated in the NCAP, so it is a pretty safe car to be in as well. Let me show you guys the engine. So this is the engine, and the hood is pretty heavy, which basically tells you that it is a well-built car. Talking about the engine, this is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder petrol engine which produces 86 PS and 113 Newton meters of torque. I'll talk about the performance once I get to drive it as well. So guys, this was the engine. Now talking about the variants, you basically have 2 variants on offer. There's a manual and there's an AMT. The car is available in 4 colors on offer. There are 4 colors on offer. You have this fire red, there's the Foresta green, there's cloudy grey, and you also have a white color option which Tata Motors calls as Snow White. So these are the 4 colors, and the pricing of the variants, the showroom prices are displayed on your screen, so you can basically check out that as well. So guys, this was a quick walk around of the Tata Tiago Energy. I hope that you guys liked the video. Still, if you have any questions, you can surely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of it. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, drive safe, ride safe.